There are many ways to add money to your account. One way to do it is by sharing your QR code with anyone for them to pay you. Another way is to request money. Enter the phone number, add the amount, and confirm details. If the person is a PayWise user, they get a notification. Otherwise, a link is generated, which you can share via messaging or social media. Another quick and easy option is to top up your wallet with a credit or debit card. Just enter the amount, confirm the transaction details, enter the card information, and submit. The transaction will process immediately. Lastly, you can go to one of our agent locations and deposit cash to your account. Give the agent your phone number, the amount, and the cash to deposit. And that's it. It's really easy to receive money. PayWise. Change the way you pay.